Your kitchen isn't just where meals are made, it's where stories are shared, mornings begin, and memories are created. And believe it or not, upgrading your cabinets can completely transform your kitchen's look, feel, and functionality. Stick around because, in the next few minutes, we'll show you game-changing kitchen cabinet ideas you'll absolutely love. Let's kick things off with modern minimalist cabinets. These are all about clean lines, smooth finishes, and a clutter-free vibe. Think matte surfaces, handleless doors, and soft close features. They not only look stunning but also make your space feel fresh, open, and ultra-modern. Next up, smart storage solutions. Ever struggle to reach those awkward corner spaces? Say hello to pull-out drawers, rotating shelves, and hidden compartments. These innovative designs make every inch of your cabinet space work smarter, not harder. Now let's talk about cabinet lighting. Adding built-in LED lights under or inside your cabinets isn't just about visibility, it's about ambience. A soft, warm glow can elevate your kitchen, making it feel cozy, luxurious, and oh so inviting. Want to add personality? Try mixing open shelving with closed cabinets. Open shelves are perfect for displaying your favorite dishes, family heirlooms, or even little pops of greenery. It's a fantastic way to balance style with practicality. Here's where you can get bold color. While white kitchens are timeless, colors like deep blue, forest green, or even matte black are making waves in modern kitchen design. They add character, richness, and a luxurious feel that's hard to ignore. Working with a small kitchen? Don't worry. Vertical cabinets are your best friend. Take them all the way to the ceiling to maximize storage and make the room feel taller and more spacious. Add reflective surfaces, like glass or glossy finishes, to bounce light around and open up the space even more. And let's not forget about sustainability. More homeowners are choosing eco-friendly cabinet materials like reclaimed wood or sustainable composites. Not only do they look gorgeous, but they're also kind to our planet. Upgrading your cabinets isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space where your family can connect, relax, and thrive. Whether you're drawn to sleek modern designs, bold colors, or smart storage solutions, your cabinets set the tone for the entire kitchen. See the difference? A simple cabinet upgrade can turn an outdated kitchen into a stunning, functional masterpiece. And the best part? You don't need a full remodel to make it happen. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Don't wait, start your kitchen transformation today. Your dream kitchen is just one upgrade away.